Evening all. Here's a short bit of film showing the creation of the internal sections of the RAM. It's made in several parts. There's a copper shroud on the inside within which the lead screw will sit, and that's to stop it thrashing around. And then a 3D printed tube that goes over that to give some strength to it, and finally the alloy shroud which will go over that and provide the bit that you see, and also guidance to the RAM to keep it straight as it's moving. So without further ado, I'll make the next one. Sintered SLS nylon is readily machinable. You can tap threads in it, you can drill it quite happily. It's worthwhile keeping the drill fairly slow so you don't generate too much heat, because obviously it will melt given half the chance. Similarly, as you drill, it's worthwhile keeping the drill out to clear the swarf, so again that doesn't melt. I did run into problems using a rapid moving Proxon to little handheld drill in effect, and that the minimum RPM on that was 5,000, and what I found was that I could drill a hole with that and it felt drilled, but actually what was happening was the plastic had melted inside and the drill was able to move freely up and down in that melted plastic, and as soon as I went to tap it, the tap snapped. So I learnt from that, and now I do nearly all the drilling either on a very slow speed using the drill press, or literally by hand with pin vise, and that gets around that problem of melting plastic. Anyway, I'll just do this quickly. It'll be noisy for a moment, and you can see the finished result. So I'm just centering this by eye and then kissing the top of it and lifting it to make sure that it's correctly aligned, and then going in about, I suppose, half a centimetre on each go. Just be a touch tighter. Ordinarily you wouldn't touch the drill when it was moving, but it's so slow now. I've got the drill on its low gear setting that it's quite safe to do. I wouldn't recommend doing that with a fast moving drill. And there is the hole, which is 3.25mm in diameter, to take a 3.2mm diameter brass tube, so that will fit nicely. It says here, yep, there you go, fits nicely on the tube. Right, that's it for now, and I'll pop another film up showing the tapping and dyeing presently.